name is Peter Effenberger. I'm an engineer in agriculture and engaged in ecology. And I have been living here in Nepal for the past 20 years as a part of my research about who and what I am and how I can relate and fix myself as well as others.
My name is Soledad Encina. I come from Chile in South America, and I have been living in Nepal since the past 14 years. Together with Peter, we have been working with the singing bowl, and in 2008 we opened up the Sound Planetarium.
Here you find yourself in the Sound Planetarium, which is located near the Bodha Stupa. Here is where we are promoting our singing bowl therapy style, which is based on astro-medical concepts of the past. Meanwhile, we are working with about 40 different frequencies. Most of them are based on celestial movements of stars, even galaxies, and we utilize them on the basis of their relationship to us as a human being.
You can have sound massage, and you can also have a water massage with our large foot massage bowl.
Health does not look the same for a 5-year-old as it does for a 70-year-old. Therefore, in our approaches to therapy, we take this into consideration and we devise different types of techniques in sound therapy applications for different age groups.
If you are coming to Kathmandu, Nepal, and if you are interested to learn the sound therapy, we would be very happy to teach you and to host here the classes. The Sound Planetarium also organizes the custom seminars abroad to suit your requirements. Feel free to explore our website and check these very beautiful and unique pieces that we are having for sale now, and contact us.